Hello everyone. Today we are going to see on IICS tutorial series. Okay, on joiner transformations. When we see this joiner transformation, it is active and connected one. Okay, and if you want to join heterogeneous sources in the sense, example, Oracle and Flatfile. If I want to combine data from these sources, that time we can use a joiner transformation and we can do the combinations. Okay, and if any point in the pipeline, if you want to combine the data, we can use a joiner transformations. Okay, and sometimes we can get that multiple objects from same sources. That time, instead of using the joiner, just we can use in source itself, we can join the data if you are taking that same source, that is homogeneous sources. Okay, in source itself we have that the object, okay, present. Instead of using single object, we want to use a multiple object. Based on that you can get the joining conditions. Okay, now see, in this joiner transformation we have four types available. First, it is normal join. Okay, normal join means matching record from that both the tables, detail and master. And second, it is detail outer. Okay, first it will get that matched record from the both the table, and it will take that remaining record from that master table, it will take it. Okay, next it is master outer. First it will get that matched record from the both the table, then it will get that remaining record from the detail table, it will get it. Okay, and after that full outer, it will match and unmatch that all the record, that is it is combining of that all the data and give the result set. Okay, in this diagram itself you can easily know about that SQL join. Normal join in the sense inner join, and detail outer means right outer join, master outer means it is left outer join, full outer join. Okay, now we can create the mapping and how we can do that, the joiner transformations. Everything we are going to see on today with properties. Okay, so please watch this session now till end. Now we can create the mapping with the help of the joiner transformations. First, go to new, mapping, and create the mapping. Okay, now change your mapping m underscore joiner transformation 1. Okay, now take the source. First I am taking my source, it is Oracle connection I am taking. Get the source and select that object. Now see here, in this search box, type your object name. You can get that object, and I am taking my second source. Okay, first it is employee table, second it is department table. For that just I am making the DEPT here. Okay, for clarification, and get the data from the department source, and I am taking my second source is Flatfile. Take the file from the select list. Flatfile name it is department. Take it and click on OK. Now check in that formatting options. Okay, before that you want to check your Flatfile. Now see here, the data it is presented in the form of the comma separated. Okay, now go to data integration. Now see here, delimiter it is comma. Okay, based on your Flatfile you want to check with a delimiter. whether it is comma or tab or colon or multiples of the delimiters. Okay, like that you want to select it. Now click on OK. Now preview the data. You always preview the data if you are selecting the flat files, because now see here we have that 4 column it is presented. In this 4 column, 3 column it is having the integer format. Okay, data type it is integer format, department ID, manager ID and location ID. When we see this department name, it is only containing with string format. Okay, note it down. Now go to the fields. Now see in this field, all the column default present in the form of string it is presented. So we should change the type. Go to option, edit metadata. Now change the data type. Precision also you can change. Now change the manager ID. Precision you can give it, and as well as you change the location ID. Okay, this department name it is string format only. That's the reason I have not changed anything in this department name. Now we have taken the source. Okay, different sources we have taken. Okay, now just I am taking one expression transformation here. Okay, now maximize this window. I am giving that one simple expressions here. Okay, my expression name it is O underscore name, and I am changing the precisions. Configure it. First I am taking that first name, concatenate. Okay, give it that in that single quotation space and take that last name here. Validate it. The expression is getting valid. Now take that second. That also it is in the form of output field O underscore salary. Okay, salary it is in the form of decimal 1. Precision it is okay. Now configure it. Now I am just adding that salary. Okay, 1000 rupees I am adding. Instead of you can use this way, you can use a built-in function. Okay, and go to numeric. Go to numeric and use it apps also. Okay, here see here. Here we want to take our column salary plus 1000. Validate it. The expression it is getting valid. This way also we can take that adding the salaries, that is incrementing salaries. Okay, now we can take our joiner transformations. Okay, joiner here we won't handle properly, because whenever you are giving that joiner transformation, the higher volume of the data it should be select with that detailed one. Okay, detailed one you want to select it. Okay, detailed one you want to select it. Next, if you are getting the less volume of the record, that time you want to select with the master. Okay, why we need to select that master means, when we are running the mapping, okay, the master data it gets stored in the cache memories, and it start comparison with the detailed table. Okay, now see here we have the few records in master only. Okay, and we can get that few iteration while comparing. Okay, and based on that, okay, it will get that easy process. Okay, speed up the process. That's the reason we have given the master with the less number of the datas. Okay, next connect that detail one. Okay. Now go to the joiner and join conditions. Here we can get the field name conflict. See here, we need to rename this field. Now go to the field name conflict. Any one we can rename it. Either it is in from that master or in from the detailed. Just I am taking the DEPT underscore. Okay. Now click on OK here. Now give your join conditions. Here I am giving the join condition, it is department ID, that is master from the department ID equal to detailed from the department ID, because this department ID column it is presented with both the table. Based on this department ID only we are going to combine the data and go to advanced option. Now see here the cache directories. Okay, the directory name it is $PM cache dir. Okay, and null ordering in master and detail normally it will be in that highest values only. If you want to get that lowest values we can select it. Okay, and next see here joiner data cache size. Okay, and joiner index caches. Joiner index cache means whatever we are giving that the job matching, okay, that is joining the conditions department ID, that data it is storing into the index, and remaining that all the data it is storing into the data caching. Okay, and it is default, it is auto. If you want to provide the values we can provide it. And next the sorted input. Whenever you are using the sorted input you should always use that sorted transformation before, that is you should always sort the data before this joiner, then only we can enable the sorted input. Okay, and now we can take our source. Okay, different sources we have taken and we join that with help of one conditions. Now we can take the target table, maximize this one. Okay, before that I already said in last sessions, today we are going to see on that target it is Snowflake. Okay, so first go to your Snowflake account. Okay, before that first go to your mail. There you can get that one link, URL link. Just go to that link. It will ask your username and password. Okay, then it will be redirected to this page. Okay, now go to data and go to target DB, then go to core schema. There you can see in the right side corner create option it is there. Okay, create the standard table. As select in the sense copy of the table. Standard one. Now default it is presented with a query. Okay, now I already written that one create table statement for target table. I am just copying this statement. Okay, I am pasting down. Now see here, I have not taken that all the data from the employees under departments table. What are the data I need? That data only I have taken. Okay, now we can select it and we can run this queries. Okay, now just give the control enter it. It will be redirect to the next page. Then maximize this one, that is open in worksheet. See here in this arrow mark. Okay, just click on that one and in this right side run option it is presented with the blue color. Okay, now just click on that one. Now see here the table it is getting created. Okay, this statement it is similar to that SQL only, but only one thing it is changed, create or replace. When we can get this create or replace in SQL, in views only we can get it, but here the create or replace default it is presented in Snowflake database. Okay, or replace table. Okay. First it is target DB. This one it is database. Next it is core. This one it is core schema. Okay, schema. Then we can get the table name. Okay. Now we can go to the data integration and we can take this table. Okay. And we can load the data to the Snowflake. Now go to data integration and select the object. Now see here we have the three object it is presented. Okay, that is three database it is presented. Okay, now we want to click the database. Okay, then only the available object it will shown in the right side. Click on the database, that is target DB. Now go to the core, because inside the core only we have created the tables. Now see here, before that there is no table it is presented. After you click in that core, the table it is presented. Okay, based on our requirement which table we need to select it, just select your table and click on OK. Now go to field mapping. Okay, here see here we are getting that more data, that is more columns from the source, but here have given that limited column only. Okay, match the column properly based on the record field. Okay, employee ID, ID1, name, we have given that full name. Okay, in expression, and salary, take the salary from here, and email, map it, phone number, then hire date, map this one. Now do the smart map. Okay, now save your mapping. Before that, just check it. Now see here, once you done the smart map also, we are not getting that department name. Okay, because we have changed the name in joiner transformations. Okay, that's the reason we should map it here properly. Check one or two times properly. Whether if you are getting valid state also, you want to check that whether I am properly mapped or not. Okay, now save your mapping. Now start to run. Click on run here. Now we can check the status in my job. First it is starting, then it is queue, then it is running. Then we can get the status whether it is success or failed or warning. Now see here, 104 record it is populated. Click on the m_joiner transformation instance. Now from the departments we got the 27 record, and source, that is employees, we got 105 records. Okay, it is combined the data, and based on that we can get the result. It is 104 record. It is we got it. Okay, now we can check in that Snowflake. For that, go to Snowflake account. Okay, retrieve the data from the table. Select star from our target table. It is, see here, tgt_emp_department. You can copy from here also, otherwise default it will become once you are just type the tables. Okay, now select it and run it. Now see here, we got that 104 record, we got it. Okay, here we have given that expressions. Okay, first name underscore, that is first name space with the last name. Okay, that's the reason here we are getting space between the two names. And also check in Oracle. Here the salary it is for the Stephen, he is getting 4277. Okay, but here the salary it is getting changed to that 5277 because we have incremented the salary in expression transformations. Okay, so today we discussed on that joiner transformations with the help of the two different sources. First is Oracle and second one is Flatfiles. And after that, in a first Oracle source, we have just given one expression transformation, then it will get the result set like this format it is getting. Okay, and we are combining the two datas with help of the joiner transformation. Okay, and we done the mapping. In that upcoming session, we will see on that next transformation with some other logic. Thank you for watching. If this session is really helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it, share it, like it.